What's up, my Royal Flush fam? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing slash demoing the MAC slash Patrick's powder, and I'm also doing a wear test as well about this powder because I really don't steer away from my Maybelline Fit Me powder like that. So if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell right after that, and let's just get into this review. Okay guys, so I put maybe like 3 layers on my face all together, and I also baked my nose with this powder. Now this powder is pretty good, but it's like, I don't know, it's like really finely milled, and it's very, very, very translucent. So you like once you sweep it off, you don't really see anything. I didn't really have a cast on my face either. I usually just set the center of my face now, but later on I set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. But I mostly just use Patrick's powder for my nose area, under my eye, you know, everywhere I highlighted. So that's basically where I had that powder. And I also baked my nose with it as well, just to get like kind of a little slight contouring going on with my nose. So yeah.
Hours later.
Okay y'all, so I'm back. It's night time. It's like going on 10 o'clock I think, and this is how my skin is looking. I didn't touch it up or anything. This is how it's looking. The powder, I mean, my under eyes are dry. Like, they're dry, but it's creased, which is pretty common because I get that from any other powder. It didn't hold off on my nose at all, because my nose is actually separated. Oh my god, it's separated. Of course it's oily right here. It really didn't take well to this over, like, you know, right up under here on the sides of my nose and stuff, and on my chin and my forehead, as y'all can see. The powder did okay. I still got creasing under my eyes, just like I said, but that's just how it is. I have like terrible creases right up under my eye. Yeah, would I recommend Patrick's powder to you guys? Of course, this powder is really good. It's like $30-something. It does not leave a cast. It doesn't do flashback. I didn't do a flash test, but I don't even take flash photography like that. But this powder is really good. But I would still have to dip back into, my Maybelline Fit Me powder just to set the rest of my face. But yes, I would give this powder a 5 out of 5. You guys should definitely go pick it up. I think it's sold out because I just went on MAC's website. It's sold out, so ooh, yeah. Well, anyway, that's today's video, guys. It was pretty short and quick, but I had to just push this one out and get straight to the point, basically. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button right before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video.